All right, settle down, settle down. Welcome back to Learn Me Real Good, the podcast that teaches you English for the trades. I'm your foreman, John.
And I'm Randy. We're taking our coffee break to drop some knowledge. Today's episode is a big one, talking about tools and materials.
This is fundamental stuff. If you can't ask for what you need, you can't work. It's that simple. On any construction site, safety and speed come from clear communication.
Right? You don't want to be the guy just pointing and grunting.
Exactly. So let's start with the most basic, most important phrase you will ever use when you need a tool. It is, please hand me the...
Hold on, John. Please? Really? Things are moving fast out here. Do we have time to be polite?
It's not about being polite, Randy. It's about being clear and safe. If you just yell hammer across the site, what happens?
Someone might get startled, or ignore me, or worse, throw it at me.
Exactly. But if you make eye contact and say, Randy, please hand me the hammer, it's a clear, direct instruction. It cuts through the noise. It signals what you need and what you want them to do.
Okay, that makes sense. A safety signal. So, let's try it. I need to drive a nail. John, please hand me the hammer.
Perfect. Now you need to measure a piece of lumber. What do you say?
Please hand me the tape measure.
Good. Now you need to put a screw in.
Please hand me the screwdriver.
Okay, but we need to be more specific. Look here, this screwdriver has a tip, like a plus sign, across. This is a Phillips head.
Phillips head. Got it.
And this one has a single straight line, a flat tip. This is a flathead screwdriver. If you use the wrong one, you'll strip the screw, and then we've got a real problem.
Right. You ruin the screw head. So, I need to be more specific. Please hand me the Phillips head screwdriver.
Now you're working like a pro. That specificity is key.
Okay, what about power tools? I hear a lot of slang for those.
You do. And using the right slang shows you know what you're talking about. For cutting lumber, like a 2x4, you need a circular saw. But you'll often hear it called a skill saw.
Skill saw. Okay, that's a brand name, right?
Yep, but it's become the common name. Same with this one here. The official name is a reciprocating saw. It's great for demolition.
Whoa, that's a mouthful. Reciprocating saw.
It is. That's why everyone on site just calls it a sawzall.
A sawzall. I've heard that. Okay, so if I need to cut out an old pipe, I'd say, please hand me the sawzall.
You got it. You're learning.
All right, so asking for tools is one thing. But what about when we're running out of stuff? Like, what do I do if I notice we're on our last box of nails?
Randy, that is probably the most important question of the day. And the answer is simple. You find your foreman, that's me, and you tell me immediately.
Immediately? Not when we run out?
No, do not wait until you are completely out. The moment you think to yourself, we might run out of these soon, you find me. Time is money, and materials are time. If we run out of something, the whole job can grind to a halt.
Okay, so I find you. What do I say?
Keep it simple and specific. Say, hey, John, we're running low on 3-inch screws, or we're almost out of plywood. Use those phrases, running low on or almost out of.
We're running low on. We're almost out of. Got it. And that applies to everything? Lumber, fasteners, even stuff like caulking and wire?
Everything. It's everybody's job to keep an eye on material stock. It shows you're thinking ahead. It shows you're part of the team.
Wow, I never really thought about it that way. It's a huge responsibility.
It is, but that's how we keep a project moving. All right, our break's almost over. Let's do a quick recap. What are the key takeaways?
Okay, 1, to ask for a tool, say, please hand me the... It's clear and safe.
Good.
2, be specific. Say, the Phillips head screwdriver, or use the right slang like sawzall.
And the big one?
3, for materials, tell your foreman as soon as you are running low. Don't wait.
That's it. You nail those 3 things and you'll be a valuable part of any crew.
Thanks, John. This was awesome.
You got it. And thanks to all of you for listening to Learn Me Real Good. Join us next time when we're going to break down the chain of command.
Ooh, that sounds important.
It is. We're talking who's who on the job site. You'll learn the difference between your lead hand, your foreman, and the site superintendent. And trust me, you do not want to get those confused.
Looking forward to it. See you all next time.
All right. Break's over. Get back to work and stay safe out there.